Happy whatever day it is after 75 hard. Outfit of the day. Today's the day I'm leaving for Spain. So I'm bringing lemon, cherry, grape. Those are the kinds that I currently have. It just authorized $200 on my credit card. Outfit of the day. It's Tuesday. Today's the day I'm leaving for Spain. So happy whatever day it is after 75 hard. It's Tuesday and today's the day I'm leaving for Spain. So you know I have to get my workout in. My flight's not till like 9:30 tonight, which so I just got this new Oxtrack set. I'm really excited. I also have it in a green color and I wore it last week and I loved it. So I had to get another color, and like this is another one of my favorite type of colors, like a nice teal. All right, so I'm getting ready for the gym and I have a little extra time, so I was just playing with my supplements that I'm bringing to Spain. So I've brought whey protein before, but it's kind of annoying because I don't really like how it tastes with water. However, I can bring my clear protein. So I'm bringing lemon, cherry, grape. Those are the kinds that I currently have. So I have these baggies that I had labeled when I went to Tampa, and then I have one scooper, and then they all can go in this big bag. I also, from my Tampa trip, have a little bit of pre-workout left in creatine, but honestly it's probably like one scoop of each, maybe two. But I don't feel that I really need pre-workout, and I would bring creatine, but I feel like I'm just gonna forget to take it, and I'd rather not like put it in a sandwich bag if I'm not gonna actually use it. But this should be good. And then when I was in my cabinet, I totally forgot that I have Prime Bites. So I was thinking this might be kind of fun. Like, I don't know how much I can really fit with me, but I have these brownies, if this will open. There we go. They're really good. I just kind of like, I don't know why I stopped eating them. To be honest, there's like a little bit of like a chemical kind of flavor. Like when I first started eating them, I thought they were so delicious, and then it's like if you eat it too much. But for something like this is kind of the perfect scenario where I'm really worried about my protein consumption. I don't really like food in Spain that much. I don't eat ham, and they eat a lot of ham. I only eat certain kinds of beef. I feel like chicken isn't as popular there as it is here. Maybe I'm just confused. I don't eat seafood, and they eat a lot of seafood. So I'm just really worried about the amount of protein I'm gonna get in. I had a focus meeting with my trainer and she was like, just prioritize protein. And it was just like, yeah, I would love to, but I don't really like their food. I like their tortilla, which is potato and egg. Actually, there's egg in that, but not a lot. But so yeah, so I'm trying to plan out some protein to bring because I'm really worried about losing muscle while I'm there, especially because then I'm only home for like a couple weeks and then I'm going to Costa Rica. So again, at least there I have control over my food, and I can get like yogurt at the grocery store. Actually, I can probably get yogurt at the grocery store here too. I did that last time I went, actually. Okay. I'm just like freaking out unnecessarily. I don't know. I like to control things, and I know this is an exercise in not controlling. Anyway, it's 8:05. I should probably just get going because yesterday I was almost late because of traffic. Oh my God, the Shell station. So I normally go to a different gas station and the pump wasn't working, and it turns out they're putting in Supreme right now, and unfortunately my car runs on the highest level of gas, and they've like scared me into actually using it. So I came to Shell and it just authorized $200 on my credit card for my gas. I mean, it's not going to be $200, so that's a little dramatic. You'd think they could do like $100. But yeah, of course I was like, oh, let me get gas. I'm going to be like ready for later. And then they don't have the gas that I want. But I I would not want to go to the gas station later, because this worked out. Like, I just take a different exit off the highway, and I picked up a Dunkin' Donuts because I've been like obsessing. I mean, I'm not gonna have it for 2 weeks, so I might as well enjoy. And they've all been free because I keep using my points. And then, yeah, we're at $58 now. Oh, and we're done. They did, at the other gas station, they offered me a free car wash if I wanted to wait. But I always, in those scenarios, I'm like scheming, and I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna wait because like the gas is cheaper, you get rewards points, and it would have been a free car wash. But like, I just don't have time for that. Like, I would have got so annoyed if it took longer than 10 minutes, because he was like, oh, it'll be about 10 minutes. And I always get myself into situations where I prioritize like scheming and getting something for free, and then I get annoyed. So I'm like, no, I'm just gonna pay the money for the gas. So I like turned around the way I need to come back anyway. I literally was passing another gas station anyway. So yeah, $60. We got the coffee, we got the gas. I need to figure out how I'm getting to the airport, because I think I'm doing this thing called Logan Express, where it used to be so easy. In my old house, I would just Uber, because I was like literally living in Boston, and it was like right down the pike, like no big deal. But now I'm a little outside the city, not even that far. But I just don't know if I can really Uber both ways. So I looked into doing the park and ride, and it's $7 a day to park there. So it would be the same as if I Ubered both ways. I mean, it'd be a little more to Uber, but not really by much. These are my favorite cards, and I just felt like I wanted to pull one. I am bringing them with me, and I got Rhiannon, Sorceress. You are a magical person who can manifest your clear intentions into reality. And this is what it says. A large part of my power stems from my connection to animals and nature. If you've been indoors too long, you can recapture your personal power by simply stepping outside. I definitely need to do that. And I was not called to pull another one for you. I feel that this is your message today as well. I'm on the treadmill, which is my ritual for editing. I'm having a Cajun chicken pasta bowl, another one of my favorite top plate meals. I'm at the airport. I was getting worried that an Uber wasn't gonna pick me up, so I'm way too early. The desk for Iberia is not even open yet. So here I am, first in line, so they'll take right good care of me. I also have TSA pre-check, so I'll probably, fingers crossed, get through security super fast. Please ensure you have your passports. So I have TSA pre-check, and usually it's pretty quick. And this whole family rolls up with two people in wheelchairs, and they are like getting put through like right in front of me. I was like, the person in front of me was the last person. So that's fine if they need assistance. However, I'm walking now, and I literally just walked up behind them, the two of them walking completely fine. So I don't know if that was like a ruse to get through security faster, or maybe just because they have wheelchairs, but that's weird. Okay, what I'm hoping is I can get to Terminal C on foot. I just had the realization that I think what I want is in Terminal B. So I think I have to go through the whole entire C to get to B, and then through B. But I have so much time. I don't know, it's like 6 o'clock. I got here an hour earlier than I wanted because I was nervous that there wouldn't be any Ubers who wanted to pick me up. I got Be Good to eat now, and then I'll eat my sandwich on the plane. I've started getting bugles for every flight. So this is where I went. I think around there, maybe? So I'm gonna end this vlog here and then start the new vlog, so that way I'll say goodbye and like not much else is gonna happen tonight, but this will go into tomorrow, where I'll be waking up on the plane in Spain. I'll be in Madrid, and then I'm getting picked up and brought to Salamanca, where I've never been before. So definitely subscribe if you want to see my Madrid, Salamanca, Spain vlogs. I'm not going to vlog every single day because I'm going to be in classes. There's like Spanish teacher classes, and so whatever like adds up may not be a full day's worth. So I'm thinking like every other day-ish will combine. So definitely subscribe so you can see those, and I'll see you in the next video soon from Spain. Have a great day, stay positive, bye.